Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to create a low poly wooden barrel in Blender 3D. First of all, select the default cube, press X and delete it. Now press Shift A and add a cylinder. Select the scale tool and scale it along Z angle. Now go to Z angle and scale it from here also and scale it more little bit. Now press Ctrl A and apply R transformation. Now go to edit mode. Now create a loop cut here. Press S and scale it a little bit. Now go to edge selection mode. Press Ctrl B and bevel it. Now in the bevel property, increase the segments to 8 and now scale it one more time like that. Now go to face selection mode, select this face and then this face, then press I to insert it like that. Now go to the transform pivot point and select individual origins and after that extrude it like that. And now we have created a shape like that. Now go to minus Y angle and switch to toggle extra mode. Now select these two lines of faces. Now press Shift D and duplicate it. And now press P and separate the selection. Now disable the toggle X-ray mode. Go to object mode. And here you can see we separated apart. Now select the separated part and go to edit mode. Press A and select everything. Now press Alt E and select extrude faces along normals and extrude it a bit of outside like that. Now go back to object mode, hide the separated part. Now select the main object, go to edit mode. Now select these edges, press Ctrl B and bevel it. Now press Alt E and extrude faces along normals and extrude it inside like that. Now go back to object mode, go to modifiers, add a bevel modifier, increase segments to 3. Now unhide the separated part and select it and also add a bevel modifier, increase the amount to 0.01 and increase segments to 3 and successfully we have created a barrel like shape. Now let's add some texture. Go to material preview, then material property, select the main body and add a new material. Press on new button, click on this yellow dot in the base color. Now go to image texture, press on the open button and import a wooden texture like that. Now select this part, also add a material, press on the new button. In the base color, select the image texture, press on the open button and add a metal texture. Now increase the metallic property and decrease the roughness a little bit. And here as you can see our low poly wooden barrel is ready in Blender 3D. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like button and tell us your reaction in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.